my lovely people. Welcome to your channel. Welcome. And today we're gonna clean. It's just motivation cleaning for me. I have to clean up this table, and this table, he always have paper on the table. It doesn't matter how much I clean it. It doesn't matter how much time I'm spending in the table. It's always have paper, especially when my husband working in this table. It's always he leaves a lot of paper on the table and I have to take it out. Even though I give him something to put his paper, but he always leave the paper on the table, guys. Let me know if your husband also do that in the house. Like he have his work and they have to sit on the table and in the dining table and then bring all the paper and just leave it there and then you come to pass by and clean. Even though you give him something, he still have leaving me the paper on the table, guys. So I have to clean the paper he leave on the table and make sure my dining table is for eating. No, it's not the office, it's a dining table, it's for eating. It's raining outside a lot, so it just stopped raining. And yeah, that's it. Don't like mess, I don't love mess, I don't live with the mess. If you come to my house, you see my house is messy, that means something is wrong with me. Because the way I be raised, uh, the person who raised me, his house, her house was always clean, and that stuck on me for such a young age. I always have to clean my place, always have to clean my house. Okay, if you see me messy, that means something is wrong. I'm not feeling good. Okay, and two things I hate my life: to see my kitchen dirty, to see my bathroom dirty. If I come to your house, I see your bathroom is dirty, I'm not gonna drink any water. So I like really to see place clean. Bathroom and kitchen, my two places. I wanted to see it clean. Okay, so that's why I have to clean up my kitchen so you can give me also, you have to give me ideas. When you go to your kitchen is clean and you have the motivation of cooking or of making something, you're baking, just motivation of cooking for your kids and making something delicious and yummy. You have a dirty kitchen, it doesn't give you the motivation of cooking because you're looking the dishes dirty. You're like, oh my god, I have to do the dishes, I have to cook again. It's making you like you don't want to do it. It's better to have a kitchen clean and in giving you also a lot of motivation, like, okay, let me make something delicious in my kitchen. So guys, that's how I'm cleaning my kitchen. And I clean also the table, so at least we have a clean dining table and I have a clean kitchen. I love when my kitchen is clean. I love when I see my house is clean. Thank you. It for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, to like, and to subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. God bless you. Thank you so much for being here today. Bye. Thank you.